What's up guys? Welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to unbox a small car. Now let's unbox it. Wow. This is the ZD Racing's new 1/16 scale Porsche. I think this is a Porsche 911 touring car. So beautiful. The Porsche 911. I think this may be a GT3. This is a manual. Oh, this is a small car. Whoa, all metal chassis and all CNC. So beautiful. Let's see what inside it. Charger. Oh, this is a charger, and this is charger 2. This is maybe for Europe users. No, that's all. This transmitter is not perfect. You can see all plastics. 1.5 volts batteries. Let's see the car. Porsche's body. So beautiful. And here you can see the inside is 2 LED in the skirt. Here you can see the small motors here and the batteries, all aluminum chassis, and the tires are so soft. The suspension is also soft. Sadly, the suspension is plastic and can't change. The front bumper form. The little car is so beautiful. All orange motors, orange chassis, orange top shocks, and of course the orange bodies. This is the 2S 1500 milliamp hours batteries, the T plugs. The sport gears is nylon and the pinion is metal. As the car also have all bearings. Or bearings? Yes, I'm sure. Look at the steering angle. We test ZD-116 rocket. GPS is ready. Track mode. Start.
哦，他是你们那的卖这个东西，我说这是什么东西啊
？It's hard to go straight. Wow, 35 kilometers per hour. Not bad.